Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zanik and I love everything fashion. So here I bring you fashion reviews of all the beautiful things that I like. So, do you have your summer sandal ready? I do. And today I wanna talk sexy heel for the summer that you can also wear in spring or even now in winter. So it's up to you. So if that sounds good to you, please stay around and grab a snack and let's get into it. Today I want to talk about brands that I like and their special mule that they're making. So the brand is the Attico, and here it is. I'm unpacking. So I want to talk about this heel. It's called the Devon Mule by the Attico. Talk about bold and sexy, right? Look at the shape of the heel. It's giving vavavoom. It's giving you, yes, I command the room. It's giving, yeah, I got the best shoe here. Look at my heel, gorgeous heel. So the Attico is an Italian brand that's giving you glamour and sexy. Look at the shirt that I'm wearing. Okay, let me move my hair so you can see. This shirt that I'm wearing is by the Attico, and it's giving you disco 70s era, right? So it's very structured with the padded shoulder, and it also comes in a dress, but I decided to go with the shirt. It's an oversized shirt. Like, look, super big, but I love it. Sometimes I just love wearing things that are very big for me. And look at the pattern, right? You get this little print that reflect the light differently, and I really love this different design. And when I saw this heel, of course I decided to go with it because the Attico brand, it's very contemporary, so it's rethinking the way women aesthetic should look like. You were coming off an era where it was very bodycon, it was very revealing, and sometimes they have those designs, but most of their designs it's structured, a little bit oversized. And think about the Attico jeans that you've seen Kim Kardashian wear everywhere. Those cargo jeans, they're very beautiful, but they're outside of my budget. But they're beautiful. Like, I can definitely agree to that. So Giorgia Tordini and Gilda Ambrosio combine the contrasting aesthetic to bring these brands to the forefront of all the magazines, right? And I think they did an excellent job. And this mule is a testament to that. So this mule, because of the patent leather, it's giving a little bit evening, but you can definitely wear it during the daytime. It's chic, so you can wear it with a pair of jeans or a mini dress. I know Valentine's Day is coming up soon, so if you want to wear it with a mini black dress, definitely go ahead and, show your toes. Show your toes, even if it's winter. You'll be cold for just a couple of hours. That's okay. You can leave. The beauty about chunky heels is that chunky heels add weight, but they give you the comfort that sometimes stilettos do not. Stilettos are dreamy, but they're also such a pain to walk in. When you wear your stilettos, you have to think about getting a cab or getting a Uber. You have to think about the pavements. You have to think about how long you're gonna wear the shoes, and all that added pressure can be relieved when you have a chunky heel because it's simply easier to walk in. So this pyramid heel, look at it. It's very structured, and just like the shirt that I'm wearing, which is a code for the Attico. They brought this design in 2019, and they rethinked it last year with the patent leather. There is the black and there is this pink. I prefer pink. Pink is my color, can you tell? So I decided to go with pink. But they also come in different prints. I saw some snake prints, I saw some satin. So you can get it in any color that you want. For me, it was either this one or the black. The black was beautiful, but I have other black shoes. I wanted to go with something that can, zhuzh it up a little bit. I am an Italian size 39, but I got this one in 39 and a half. Let me wear it. Let me see if I can wear it and lift my shoes so you can see. Can you see? Ooh la la! So I have to zoom out so you can see better. But can you see a little bit? Let me finish this video seated and I'll get up to show you how they look on the feet later. Because I'm trying to do this yoga pose so that I can show you, but the yoga is not yogaing today. So we'll try it another time. So as I was saying, I'm a size 39 Italian, but I got it in 39 and a half. Because when I got the size 39 Italian, I noticed that my little toe was coming out. And that's one of the worst thing ever. And sometimes I see it on ladies. Okay, let me say this. Lady, if you wear a sandal and you notice that your little pinky toes is coming out of the shoe, it's not your size. It is not your size. Please don't wear it. Last night I was scrolling on the Essence website and I saw one of their models was wearing a sandal and it was not even the pinky toe. It was all the toes coming out of the sandal. And I'm like, Essence, this is a model. This is how you represent the shoe. Come on, like do better. Give your models shoes that fits them, you know? Is that too much to ask? I don't think it is, especially if you're trying to sell the shoe to us. I will post the photo so you can see what I'm talking about. So ladies, if this is you, please, 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 please leave the shoe alone or get the up, a size up, right? Like don't do this. It's not cute. Also, I have to say that since this is a patent heel, my feet can slide to the front a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add insoles just to have a better grip, and I definitely recommend that for you as well. If you want a little bit more comfort, just add padded insole in front of the shoe. It will help you. Should you get this heel? I would say totally yes. I got them for 20% the original price, and I'm such a bargain shopper. Let me tell you, I hunt for deals anywhere. Like I'll find the deal, and I'm not in a rush. I have the patience to wait until I can buy the shoe within my budget. So if you want a video where I explain how to become a bargain shopper for luxury heels like this, let me know. Please comment and I'll let you know. And subscribe, gives me a thumbs up, support the channel, register on the Patreon account. There I'm gonna show you how I wear this heel. And until then,